everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make horenso to onsen tamago no salad. It's a warm salad with spinach, bacon and soft-boiled egg. I'm making it as a side today, but if you increase the amount of bacon, you can have it as a main. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this horenso to onsen tamago no salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some spinach, it's about 400 grams. 4 eggs, 100 grams of cured bacon, 1 tablespoon each of mirin and soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. At first, I'm making soft-boiled eggs. So prepare 1 liter of fully boiling water, turn the heat off and add 1 cup of cold water. It doesn't have to be chilled. Then put the eggs. Put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes with the heat off. In the meantime, let's prepare spinach and bacon. Spinach first. Cut the bottom off. And just cut it into 2 inches or so. Stalks in here and leafy part in here. You may think this is too much spinach, but it will shrink. And bacon. Let's just make it into strips. Heat a frying pan over medium-high heat and then saute the bacon. You can add some sliced garlic here if you want it. Then stalks of the spinach. When it's wilted, leafy part. Leafy part is wilted too, so let's add the seasonings. 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. Give it a mix and cook for 1 minute. Kill the heat and it's done. Back to the eggs. These are in here for 15 minutes. So let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. Spinach and bacon in the bowl here. Make a little dent in the middle. Soft-boiled egg in another bowl. To make sure you don't have any shell in here. Then slide it into the dent. Some black pepper if you like. And horenso to onsen tamago no salad. It's ready to go. Time Time for the tasting. Let's break the egg yolk so that it's like a sauce. Nice and creamy. And いただきます。The soft-boiled egg is perfectly cooked, rich and creamy, and it's a perfect sauce for the spinach and bacon. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo-style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. ほうれん草と温泉卵のサラダ is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. How about kakiage udon here? It's noodles, but it's carbs, so it goes here, and you also cover the soup and the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!